Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to do something pretty fun, and I'm actually going to be showing you two different mascaras. I'm going to show you the Super Fan Out Mascara by Smashbox and the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. These are the ones that you guys recommended I would get, and I actually hauled them. You saw them in my Sephora VIP sale haul, and so today I am going to be trying them out, comparing them, showing you how they look, and it's also going to be a first impression because I have never used these mascaras before. So I'm going to bring you in closer. We're going to get really close to the eyes and see which one does what I want it to do, which is length, and a little bit of volume is fine, but I was really looking for length, and then I'll see which one I like better. And then that way you can also know which one you would rather get if you're interested in any of these mascaras. Okay, so I wanted to get my hair out of my face completely, and I'm not wearing any eyeshadow so that way you can see everything. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Super Fan Mascara, and what I'm gonna do first is curl my eyelashes because I do want to do that for both of mine. I'm gonna use it the way that I would normally use it, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. And I'm thinking of doing like maybe trying like a few coats, like 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, and seeing the difference. But in reality, the way that I use mascara is just over and over until I get them the way that I like them. So what I'm gonna do is do the 1 2 3 first, and then later on just apply more and see like what happens. So first I'm gonna apply the Super Fan Mascara by Smashbox. So this one has a pretty thin wand. Looks really thin. It doesn't look like there's tons of product on there. It looks like it's really gonna separate my eyelashes, but I guess we'll see. So yeah, this is how this brush looks. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the first coat. So just from the very first coat, that's how I would apply it. It's not like I can just go over it once because it's not realistic. And so far they look pretty separated, like they don't look super clumpy or anything like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line too. Okay, so there you can see that they look pretty separated, just like the top. I did get a little messy on my skin a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I've gotten worse. So that is the first coat with the first mascara. Now on this eye, I'm gonna do one coat. All right, so this one also has a pretty thin wand. This one looks a little bit like it has more product. It looks a little bit more wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my first coat on this eye. I feel like this one, you can feel it pulling through the eyelashes. I don't know if it's the bristles or the product, but that's how it feels. Okay, so this one, the product to me feels just a little bit thicker. Is it focused? Okay, there we go. It was like not focusing. Okay, so this one to me, the product feels a little bit thicker, and I feel like it's pulling through my eyelashes. I don't know if it's the wand. I think it is though, just like the bristles that it has. And I feel that it's also like thicker product. They look like they have more volume than the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back in here so that way I can do my lower lashes. Looking at them just like this, it looks like they're pretty similar, but I feel like on this eye, it looks a little bit thicker, like it has more volume. Yeah, that's what I think so far. I need to really clean it up because they can get a little messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start coat number 2 and do the Smashbox side. Now I was thinking about it because I know it can dry in between the coats that I'm doing, but to me it's okay because I do that sometimes. I wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I go in with the next coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on coat number 2. I think I'm seeing a little bit of length, not like crazy, but you know, you can see my eyelashes a little bit more. And I'm gonna do the bottom coat. All right, so that is number 2. So now the next one. All right, so that is coat number 2 for this eye. And so far it's looking like these look just a little bit longer than this one. So now going for the third one. That is the third coat, and now I'm gonna do my third one on this eye. Okay, so they kind of look a little crazy, right? Even though there's only 3 coats on each one, they do look pretty thick. I'm seeing a lot more length on this eye, on the lower lashes and on the top ones. I mean, let me know what you think, but I can see a lot more on this side. I don't know if it's because it like lets more products stay on my eyelashes or what. This one really does comb them through, but it doesn't leave that much product. So that is the difference between both of the mascaras, you guys. This is 3 coats on each eye, on the top and on the bottom. So now what I'm gonna do is realistically do my eyelashes, not just like 3 coats, because normally every time I wear my mascara, I just apply it until I like the way that it looks, like it's thick enough or it's long enough or whatever it is that I'm looking for. It looks different than other mascaras that I have used though, so for sure they do give me more volume than the ones that I've used before, and they also give me a little bit more length. Like it lets them show up, you know, if I want to do a regular makeup day, no falsies, I can apply one of these two and I think it would look just fine because it does let my eyelashes show up. Although I do feel like this one makes them look a little bit longer. So what I'm gonna do is apply them, just go all in, apply them the way that I would normally wear them. So I'm gonna start off with the Smashbox one and just apply a few more layers, a few more coats of it, and see what we get. So I pretty much just applied like 2 more coats on this side, and I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics one now. Right, so now I'm going to clean up my eye, around my eye, because it did get a little messy. Yeah, I think I got what I wanted with, I think I got more of the length with the It Cosmetics one. They're both nice though. I will be wearing both of them because I do want to do my eyeshadow and just apply a few coats of mascara and like be done, instead of applying falsies whenever I want like a longer lash look. So I do just want to try mascara, and I think that this one, the It Cosmetics one, gives me more length. So tell me what you think. Tell me which one you liked more. I don't feel like any of them are dry or flaky as far as right now. Like they don't look like it, even though I'm applying a few more coats on top of it and they kind of dry in between the coats. I don't see any flakiness on my under eyes, so that's good for both of them. I feel like both of them give me almost the same amount of volume. It's just that this one gives me the extra length that I'm looking for, so I feel like this one kind of won overall for what I was looking for in particular. But you let me know what you think. Let me know what you see, because I can see it. I can see that the lower lashes and the top lashes look a lot longer than the ones on this side. Let me know what you think about these mascaras. Do you have them? Which one do you like the most? Let me know if you've tried these before. I know a lot of y'all did try. I mean, y'all recommended both of them, so that's why I got both of them. But I think there were more people that really liked the It Cosmetics one, and I can see why. I mean, it's exactly what you guys said it would be. It does give me length and it also gives me volume. Now, both of them can easily get pretty clumpy easily, I feel like. So if you don't like that look, you might just want to be careful with how you apply it, or just comb them through so that, like in between each coat, so that way they don't get too thick to where you don't like them. But I feel like, you know, just the way that I applied them, they could look really, really nice with my regular eyeshadows. Now today I didn't want to wear any eyeshadow because I wanted you to be able to see everything, or just because right now they kind of look tiny. I feel like just with red lipstick, you know, no eyeshadow or anything and just the mascara alone, they look different, but once I have my makeup on, I feel like it'll look better. I still like both, but I feel like I like this one better, especially like I said, for the length part. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about these, or if you've tried them, which I know you probably have because you told me about them, but let me know which one you liked the most today. And that is pretty much everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching another one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.